When the number of turns in a coil is doubled without any change in the length of the coil, its self-inductance becomes. Now, for this question, we know that flux phi is equal to N into BA cos theta, which will be cos 0. So NBA. Now, what is the value of B for a coil? So B coil like solenoid, that is mu naught into N into I, where N is number of turns per unit length. Now we can write that if, and what is the value of N here? N is number of turns simply. So suppose that if we want to define what is the value of N, N will become N by L, because total number of turns divided by the total length. So we can put the value, this value N by L into this formula. We get mu naught into N by L into I, and overall we can put this in equation number 1. So if you put the value of B in equation number 1, we get N into mu naught Ni by L into A. So simply phi will be is equal to mu naught into I by L into A into N square. Now in the question, this say that if the number of turns is doubled without any change in the length, so you can see they are not even talking about area or L. So that means overall this is a constant. So I can say this term as a constant. That means I can say phi is equal to constant into N square, right? Say equation number 2. But we know that phi is equal to L into I, which is equation number 3. So comparing equation number 2 and 3, we get Li will be is equal to constant into N square, right? So now if you put the value Li, what was the constant? Mu naught into I, A divided by L into N square. Perfect. So I to I will be cancelled out. We get the value of L, which is equal to mu naught into A divided by L into N square. Now again, if you see this thing, area and lengths are not changing. So that means L will be proportional to N square. So simply, now coming back to our original question, the original question says if number of turns are being changed, how much? N to 2N. So that means I can write from this L initial upon L final will be N initial upon N final to the whole square, and N initial is N, and after that they doubled, so 2N, this is a square, so this is 1 upon 2, so this will be 1 by 4. So I can write L final will be is equal to L initial. So what does it mean? It means 4 times. So which option is the right choice? Option number 1 has to be the right choice. Okay.